fillet command in a spline area and a spline area through a spline tool. You can more understand in the video. Friends, how to create a boundary of rectangle through a fillet command in a spline area. First of all, open Archicad and file with new. Now here you can see that first of all I take spline tool. This is a spline tool in different type of spline tool. This is the spline tool. Here one type of spline. Here now create a boundary through a spline tool. Created a boundary of spline tool. Now take a fillet command and create a boundary through a fillet. Here and we have created a boundary through a fillet in a spline area. And now you can change the color setting, all these things. Here you can change. First of all, select here. You can see that, and now change it. Now here you can see that change color of the inner boundary, and after that select entire and go to file, library and object, new object, और यहाँ से here select, now select drag here you can see that entire sketches in 2D. Now you understand how to do it.